At the foot of the cross, in his moment of deepest suffering, Jesus did something very beautiful. He gave us a mother. He says, "Woman, this is your son. This is your mother." Even in pain, his heart was thinking of you because he knows life can be heavy. There are days you feel tired, lost, even ashamed. Days when you don't know where to go. And so he gives you Mary, a mother who understands without many words, a mother who stays when others leave, a mother who gently leads you back to him. You are not alone. At the cross, Jesus made sure of that. So today, do not be afraid to come close. Come with your burdens, your wounds, your failures, because Mary is there and she will always bring you to Jesus. Trust, return, be loved. Amen.